Take modulus. Modulus. When you take modulus, square root will get square root of is a1 square plus b1 square, a2 square plus b2 square, so on an square plus bn square, that is equal to capital A square plus b square, square root of. So when we are squaring on both sides, we are going to get this answer.
Sir, first we need to take modulus, sir. Again, we
Yeah.
can
Squaring,
cancel out the square root, sir. That's all, sir.
yeah, you can write whole square root and squaring on both sides. Is
Sir,
that clear?
recording, yeah, not starting.
I think so. We started. Yes, we started the recording. Right. So second option is correct. Coming to question number 20 is equal to 2 to the power of 49 plus x plus
Sir,
iota is
1 plus I the whole power 100 can be written as 1 plus I whole square to the power 50, sir.
yeah, it's better to, yeah,
Sir,
we can do
2i,
it.
sir, 2i the whole power 50 is equal to 2 square, 2 power 49 into x plus iy.
So you can do like that, or else why don't you do directly? So if we take your modulus here, no modulus, here also modulus. So what about this 1 plus iota modulus value?
Root 2.
Square root of 1 square plus 1 square all to the power of 100. That is equal to 2 to the power of 49 into square root of what? X square plus y square. Okay, all of you simplify, Amma. Srikan sir is calling me. Sorry, students, for inconvenience. Actually, some technical issue happened for other class. Okay, completed that one question. What is the answer? Answer for this question?
4, sir.
4. Everyone got the answer is 4?
Sir, can you explain it, sir?
Yeah, why not? 1 plus, tell me the question. 1 plus,
Sir, you are not presenting.
one plus iota whole to the power of 100 is clearly equal to
2 power 49 into x square plus y square.
2449 into x square plus y square. Okay.
No, sir, x plus iota y.
Uh, x plus iota y. Correct. Okay. See here, I'm taking the modulus on both sides. Okay. When I take modulus on both sides here, so 1 plus iota whole to the power of 100 we can write, because modulus z power n can be written as modulus z whole to the power of n. This is one of the property students. Okay, with help of this property, this is z. When I consider this as z, given complex number as z, z power 100 can be written as z modulus z whole power 100. So that is equal to 2 power 49 is a real number, it will be same, but here square root of x square plus y square. So here modulus 1 plus iota becomes 1 square plus 1 square all to the power of 100. So clearly equal to 2 to the power of 49 of x square plus y square all to the power of 1 by 2. Now, so here root 2, 1 plus 1 root 2. Root 2 shall I write here root 2 as 2 to the power of 1 by 2 all to the power of 100. This is clearly equal to 2 to the power of 49. X square plus y square the all to the power of 1 by 2. Clear, students? Right. So left side is 2 to the power of 50 is equal to 2 to the power of 49. 2 to the power of 49 you can cross multiply. When I cross multiply, 2 to the power of 49 is equal to x square plus y square all to the power of 1 by 2. Now get cancelled. What is the remaining value left side? 2. Squaring on both sides, 2 square is equal to x square plus y square. So x square plus y square value is 4. Is it clear to everyone? Yeah, Midon, clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Like that you have to do.
So can you
So
scroll up?
we can do in 1 or 2 steps itself, but I have written proper steps here.
Completed.
Yeah. Next question. Question number 21 is L into Z2 by M into Z1 is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means?
A equal to 0.
No real part.
Okay, real part becomes 0. Fine.
Sir, yes, sir, I accept that one.
Right. In this question, question number 21, L Z2 M Z1. L Z2 by M Z1 is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means, shall I write this is equal to iota into y? If I take z is a complex number x plus iota y, it is purely means So z is equal to iota y itself. So this is a complex number. This is purely imaginary. So I equate into I into iota. So which implies z2 by z1. Shall I write here iota times of my by L, student? Shall I write like this? So what is the question? Tell me, anyone? Modulus
The lambda z1 plus nu z2
mu z2
by
by
lambda z1
z1
minus mu z2.
minus mu z2 is equal to what? Am I right? So here simple student, here we know that z2 by z1 value. So for that what shall we do? Z1 you
We
can
should
take as,
simplify this, sir.
yes, Z1 take common in numerator and denominator. So lambda plus mu Z2 by Z1 all divided by Z1 you can take common lambda minus mu times of Z2 by Z1 here Z2 by Z1 all modulus. This is equal to Z1 get cancelled modulus lambda plus mu times of what is Z2 by Z1?
Sir, how you wrote, is it on common, sir?
Z1 I am taking common in numerator and denominator. If I take Z1 common, remaining lambda, when you multiply with Z1 numerator denominator,
Oh, okay, sir.
we are going to get same. Okay, right students. So what is Z2 by Z1 number? The Z2 by
I
Z1?
iota my by L.
Exactly. Iota my by L by lambda minus mu times of, okay, iota I am going to write at last. My by L into iota. Okay. So whole modulus, I want to write it separately. This whole modulus, I want to write it separately. This is modulus. What is the modulus value of numerator? Root over lambda square something mu m y l by whole square. What is the modulus of denominator, students? Lambda square
Same, sir.
plus l m y by, sorry, mu. Whether we are getting same or different values.
Same, sir.
Same nothing but what is the answer?
1, sir.
Okay. So no need to simplify here after this step. Since we know that a plus iota b modulus should be equal to modulus of a minus iota b should be equal to modulus of a minus modul iota b whole modulus, this is equal to minus a plus iota b, all should be equal to square root of a square plus b square. Am I right? All are equal or not? All are equal. Yes, students? So that your numerator and denominator, those modulus values are same. So that the answer becomes 1. Which one of the option is correct here?
4, sir.
Fourth one. Any doubts in this question?
No, sir.
So coming to your the minimum value of modulus z and z minus 1, z minus 2. Okay, students. Here we are having some procedure to this kind of question, minimum values or maximum values. This is very easy concept. Okay, that see actually the answer is z is equal to 2 because if I take any value, so a modulus z, see here. Yeah, tell me the question, students. Question number 3.
What is that?
Mod z
Plus mod, is it minus 1? Plus mod is minus 2.
Okay, right. See here, actually, z minus a plus z minus b plus z minus c, so on. So whatever this A, B, C values here, A comma B comma C, these values are called critical points. Critical points. What does it mean by critical points? That will be explained you. So here, modulus z. There is a property. There is a property. Modulus of z minus a is lesser than or equal to, shall I write modulus of z minus, okay. Here minus, it is not lesser than or equal to, it is clearly greater than or equal to modulus z minus modulus of a. Okay, students. So here, when we take here z minus, here just it is z minus 0. Modulus z, if it take as, for example, I am taking modulus z is equal to 10. Here 10 minus 0 is the minimum value, 10 minus 1 is the minimum value, 10 minus 2 is the minimum value. Amma. Yes? What it will be give minimum value? Modulus z will give minimum value, or modulus z minus 1 or modulus z minus 2?
Modulus of z minus 2.
Z minus 2. Okay, so the minimum value actually, this modulus of z minus 2, you have to equating to 0, so modulus z is equal to 2. 2 is the minimum value here. Okay, not all the cases we can take like this. Okay, right. Before this maximum minima concept, I'm going to explain some few important points. Then you can easily understood how to find the minimum value and maximum value. See, students, is it clear that, see,
Again explain, sir.
which one? This I can explain you again after explaining the concept of maxima minima, right? Again, I will explain the same problem. See here, before that, argument of z can be written as arg of z. Am I right, students? Arg of z nothing but theta value. What is theta value here? Tan inverse of
Y by X.
modulus y by modulus x. When I take this argument of z as theta alpha, or else you can take as theta 1. When it is theta 1, see here, the principal argument is given by this is theta 1, this is minus theta 1, pi minus theta 1, pi minus theta 1, same modulus. Already we know that. So that argument here I am taking as theta. Theta is equal to theta 1, here theta is equal to minus theta 1. Theta is equal to pi minus theta 1, here theta is equal to minus of pi minus theta 1. So these are the argument in first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. So coming to argument of z. So before that, can anyone tell that what is log AB formula, students?
Log A
Log
plus
A
log B.
plus log
Log
B.
A plus log B.
Wonderful. Log A plus log B. In the same way, argument of z1, z2 is clearly equal to
Argument of
z1 plus argument of z2. Plus generally we can write 2k pi here, k belongs to z. Okay, simply remember up to here. It is very important, clear. So like it will be satisfied, it is like a log AB formula. If I take another formula, what is log of A by B, students? Log of
Log A
AB,
minus log B.
minus log B.
log A minus log B. Okay. So here log A minus log B. Then in the same way, argument of z1 by z2 is equal to argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Clear? Plus same 2k pi here, k belongs to z. Okay, these are called general argument. General argument means we added. What is the general argument, Amma? Yesterday we discussed. General argument is given by theta 1 is there. Theta 1 plus 2k pi. Plus 2k pi. Just adding to plus 2k pi. For every principal argument, we can add 2k pi. K belongs to Z. That argument is called general argument. Means, it will be repeat no values on complete rotation. Again, becomes to 0, 360. Like second. Like general argument. Means we are going to get, this will give the infinite values, infinite solutions. Like sine x is equal to sine y, cos x is equal to cos y, and tan x is equal to tan y. In the same way here also, principal argument is there, least positive argument is there, general argument is there. So these are the mainly two important properties for argument. Third property also there, that is argument of z power n can be written as argument of z whole power n. Is it clear, students? Argument of z whole to the power of n.
Sir,
So
here plus 2k pi will come or not, sir?
2k pi either you can take or you should not take. So if they mention like general solution, general argument, at the time only can add. Otherwise,
Okay.
not necessary that. It's depending on the interval. For example, 0 to 2 pi they given. So 0 to 2 pi in the sense, just first quadrant alone. Am I right, students? Just first quadrant. In the options, according to the option, we can easily say whether they are asking the principal argument or least positive argument or general argument. We can say very easily. See here, when you take z is equal to x plus iota y, x plus iota y, students, remember this also, argument of z plus argument of z, that I told you, when theta not equal to phi, other than any value, like other than pi, so you can check it, it will be always 0. When theta is equal to pi, so here argument of z plus argument of z conjugate pi plus pi. This will be, we are getting pi, this is, we are getting pi. Otherwise, if it is pi by 2, we are going to get here 3 pi by 2. Z conjugate. Overall, when we are adding these two, it will becomes 360. That you have to remember. And argument of z conjugate always should be is equal to r minus of argument of z. Why? I'll explain here. Each property is very important, students. It's equal to, they have given minus of argument of z. Why? Okay, when I take z is equal to x plus iota y. What is arg of z, students? Shall I write tan inverse of y by x plus y plus x? Okay. So what is the z conjugate, students? X minus iota y. Am I right, students?
Minus y by x.
Argument of z conjugate is equal to tan inverse of minus y by x. Okay, what is tan of minus theta?
Minus tan theta.
Minus tan theta.
Shall I write this is minus tan inverse of y by x? Yes or no? From this, LHS value is argument of z conjugate. This is equal to minus of whatever this tan inverse y by x, students, is equal to,
Argument of z.
yeah, argument of z. Yes or no? Whether we getting this property or not. Yes or no? When theta should not equal to pi, in that case, this is satisfied. Yeah, just now I have written property 2k pi. So k. So yeah, for some k means why they given only two values, it will be repeat. It will be repeat after this lesser than minus 1 and greater than 1. So just you have to remember k is equal to, just it will take only minus 1, 0, 1. So what is the notation? What is the symbol of this? Set. Set symbol. Nothing but here k will take only the values -1, 0 and 1. That's all. Here also same. Remember that. This is like log A by B formula. So Z1, Z2, why this here we got minus? Because when we apply log AB, log A plus log B in the same way, argument of Z1 means argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 conjugate will get. What about argument of Z2 conjugate with help of first property?
Minus argument.
That's all. Like that, we'll get this. Okay. So whenever you want to verify the all properties, you can take some Z1 value like your wish, any complex number 1 plus iota y, Z2 is equal to 100 plus 1000 iota, or else 10 minus 3 iota, whatever the complex number you can take, and those two complex numbers should satisfy this condition. The modulus of Z1 plus Z2 must be equal to Z1 minus Z2, then in that case only this will be equal to 90. Argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2 always 90. And you can choose the two complex numbers like Z1, Z2 which satisfy this condition, then argument of Z1 always equal to argument of Z2. Okay. And see here, cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 is theta 1 minus theta 2. When we multiplying here, adding. Like log AB, log A plus log B, like that. Log A by B, log A minus log B, like that. These are the properties. So 1 by cis theta is equal to cis of minus theta. Okay, let's see here. 1 by cis theta, whether it is equal to cis of minus theta or not. Few properties you may have doubts. Sir, how can we take this 1 by cis theta? Cis theta is equal to cis of minus theta. How it is possible? You may get doubt. What is cis theta? Cis theta means
Cos iota sin theta.
cos theta iota sin theta. Cis minus theta means cos of minus theta iota times of sin of minus theta. Okay, let's see whether LHS equal to RHS or not. What about LHS? Is it in standard form?
Into rationalize, sir. Into cos theta minus I.
Yes, rationalize. So 1 by cos theta plus iota sin theta into cos theta minus iota sin theta by cos theta minus iota sin theta. Right side is what is cos of minus theta, students? Plus cos theta or minus cos theta? Minus cos theta or plus cos theta?
Plus cos theta, sir, even function.
Yes, cos is even. But what about this?
Odd
Sin of,
function.
shall I write then minus of iota sin theta? Sin theta is odd function. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. We may write. Okay, RHS we got cos theta minus iota term. Let us see whether LHS also same or not. Numerator okay. Numerator is equal here. But what about denominator? Is denominator becomes 1?
Yes, sir. Root over cos square theta plus sin square.
This we will get. Since we know that here cos square theta iota square is -1 plus. Got it? This is 1. So that LHS equal to RHS. So that 1 by cis theta is equal to cis of minus theta. Cis nothing but C means cos, I means iota, S means sin. Okay, students? In the same way, it will be satisfy these properties. When we multiplying cos theta plus iota sin theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus iota times of sin theta 2, that will be equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus iota times of sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Nothing but cos of A plus B formula plus iota times of sin of A plus B formula will get. Surely will get. So like that, some properties are there. So you have to remember that cos theta value and sin theta value in terms of iota. Okay.
Sir, what is H, sir?
Yes, sir.
H nothing but hyperbolic function. I'm going to explain you hyperbolic function here. See here, hyperbolic functions are, there are 6 hyperbolic function like sine hx or sine h theta, cos h theta, tan, like same 6 trigonometric functions, 6 hyperbolic functions. Sine can be written as actually here e power x minus e power minus x by 2. This will give a hyperbolic function. Student, everyone, okay, everyone, we have to remember sine h theta, then after cos h theta is e power x plus e power minus x all divided by 2. When you remember these two values, then we can easily write tan h theta. What is tan h theta? Sine
E power x.
E power x minus
E
e
power
power
x
1.
minus e power
X
minus
minus
x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. 2 2 will get cancelled.
yes, exactly. This is in the same way. Can you able to write cot hx?
Yes, sir. Inverse, sir.
Yeah,
E power x
yeah,
plus e
inverse.
power minus x by e power x minus e power minus x.
Okay, fine. See, what is the value of then sine h iota theta? What shall we do? Sorry,
IEX means
here actually it is x, not theta. This is x, x. Whenever it is x, this will becomes x. Okay, sine h into iota theta.
E power I theta minus
I
e
theta.
power minus I theta by 2.
I theta by 2.
So whether it will be satisfy or not, I'm going to tell you. See, cis theta also can be written as e power I theta. I told you yesterday class. E power I theta means it is equal to cis theta. Cis theta nothing but cos theta plus iota times of sin theta. Then what is e power minus iota theta? Replace iota by minus iota. And cos theta,
Minus iota sin theta. Both are conjugates, sir.
okay, both are conjugates. No, replace iota by minus iota, we will get here. When I adding these two,
We will
2
get
cos
iota
theta.
sin theta.
iota sin theta, iota cos theta.
2
The
cos
adding
theta,
means
sir.
2
Adding.
cos
Adding 2 cos theta. Then cos theta is equal to,
e
E
I
iota.
theta plus e minus I theta by 2.
okay, this is cos theta in terms of like, in the same way, this is just a cos theta value. Cos theta value is e power. So see here, cos theta value whether we getting or not.
Yes, sir.
Right, we proved cos theta. In the
sir.
same way, yeah.
Sir, the base are same now, sir. So we can uh, evaluate the power
It's
source, sir.
sir, it's multiplication or division only we can evaluate, sir. This is addition.
Multiplication and
Sir, he's
division.
telling that E and E base are same, sir. So he's telling like we can simplify, sir, but we
Oh, no,
can't
no, 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 no. We
because
can't.
it's
That is
addition.
only for multi.
Here, addition, no. If it is multiplication, as you said, e power I theta into e power minus I theta, now you can adding the power, so the we are going to get 0, that is 1. But plus is there in between, so we cannot simplify. Okay, students? So like that, you have to remember the properties. This is equal to y, it is cos. So this is equal to cos h into iota theta. Let's see here. What is cos h theta? I have written here. Cos hx I have written. E power x. When I written here cos h into iota x value, e power
Iota x.
iota x plus e power minus
Minus
iota x by
2, sir.
so this is nothing but, shall I write cos x here? See here,
Yes, sir.
cos theta, in place of theta replace x, e power ix x by 2, nothing but, remember students, so cos of h ix always equal to cos x. Some that only they have written here, cos theta is equal to e power iota theta plus e power minus iota theta by 2 is equal to cos h into iota theta. In the same way, Sine h iota theta is equal to I sine, because cis theta nothing but cos theta plus iota times of sine theta. And we can easily find this value. 1 is equal to cis 2 pi. Let's see here. It is equal to e power I 2 pi, whether it is equal or not. First, cis 2 pi. Cis 2 pi. What is cis 2 pi? Nothing but what? Cos 2 pi plus iota times of sine 2 pi. Am I right? What is cos 360? Cos,
0. 1, sir, 1.
cos 360 plus iota times of sine 360.
0, sir.
So, and also shall I write these value cos 2 pi plus iota sine 2 pi, shall I write e to the power of I 2 pi? Yes or no? Yes, finally, S is 2 pi means theta value is 2 pi, this is equal to 1. So here 1 is equal to cis 2 pi, that is minus 1 is equal to cis pi. Cis pi means cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1 and sin pi is 0, minus 1. Here cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1. 1 means iota into 1, iota. Here sin minus 90 is minus 1, cos 90 is 0. So 0 plus iota times of minus 1 means minus iota. That only they have written. So we'll see all the important points in next class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.